Welcome to worship at First Congregational United Church of Christ Phoenix, where extravagant welcome is an everyday way of living. This is the church that says, "Come, be a part of our family. Come be one with God. No matter where you've been in life, there is a place for you here. No matter where you are on your journey, here is a place to rest."
Good morning, First Church. Happy Sunday. Why, thank you so much. We're going to have a couple announcements, but I'm really not going to read a lot off the green sheet because you all have the green sheet to read, and there's quite a few people that I have to call up to make announcements. So we're going to start with George. Please come up.
Good morning, First Church.
Good morning.
This morning we will be having the second of our 3 Congregational Conversations. Last month we had a discussion on worship and we received 71 surveys back. This week you should have received a survey in your email, which hopefully many of you have brought back. If you have not, I will have copies over at the conversation. It will be immediately after church in Pilgrim Hall. This week we will be discussing membership. It is very important to hear from all of you as to where you feel you would like to see things expanded for the membership, things that you think we're doing well. And so we really are counting on your comments and concerns to help us with the visioning process for First Church. That'll be immediately following the service in Pilgrim Hall. Get your beverages or whatever. In the back part of the room, the chairs are set up, and we will start as quickly as possible and get you out of there as quickly as possible. And so I look forward to seeing you, all of you, over there. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And the next person I'd like to call up on my list, let's keep it in the family. David, come on up. You are next.
Well, welcome everyone to First Church. Well, the surveys that you have been filling out, you have had concerns about having a potluck. So what I have volunteered to do is once a month, the last Sunday of each month, we will have a social gathering in Pilgrim Hall. I would also like if 2 other people could help me organize this. I am volunteering my services. What we will do is we will have a list of items, and once a month we will pick a topic of like crackers and cheese or dips and chips and stuff like that. So we would need your help to help support this. And so we will plan for the last Sunday of November will be our first one, and we will take it from there, and hopefully it will go well. But I said I'm volunteering this, and I would like to have 2 other people from the congregation to help me with this. It would be greatly appreciative, and we can organize a list of items that we would like to have provided from the church, from the congregation, and then we could set it up, and it would be on the last Sundays of every month. So I hope this will be a great turnout for all of us, and we could get together and enjoy fellowship. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And then, well, you're all set. So do we have any people that are here for the first time? I always mess this part up. Please raise your hand. We have a gift for you. Okay. All right. While we're doing that, I would like to call up Philip, please, to talk about the AIDS Walk. Thank you, sir.
Good morning. Next Sunday is the Phoenix AIDS Walk. It starts at 7 o'clock, 7:15 with a prayer service. Vernon Myers is going to be there with the prayer service. The actual walk starts at 9 o'clock at 3rd Avenue in Washington. I left some information with the website to sign up that are in the pews, or if you have questions, you can ask myself or Don or Steve, and we'd be glad to answer any questions, and hopefully we'll see more walkers there and join our team for our Maricopa Interfaith HIV/AIDS Alliance. It's sponsored here at our church. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Vicki Berger, could you please come up?
Come on down.
Come on down. Behind door number 2.
I'm here to talk about Sunday, November the 4th. On that day in the church calendar, we're going to celebrate All Souls Day and All Saints Day. And again this year we will do so by having a Mexican-style ofrenda, or an altar, over in this corner of the sanctuary. And so we invite you to celebrate All Saints Day by arriving a little bit early that day and bringing a photograph of a departed loved one, family, friends, even a pet that has passed away, and put those photographs on the ofrenda as we celebrate All Saints Day on Sunday, November the 4th. Last but not least, Judy, could you please step forward?
Thanks, Marty. You're welcome. Good morning and aloha, First Church. The aloha is because we're going all Polynesian on October 28th, which is the date of our Samoan fundraiser concert. It'll be at 3 o'clock in this very sanctuary. If you want more information, we have a website set up. The address is in Pilgrim Hall. We also will have a few people available in Pilgrim Hall to answer your questions. And if you want tickets or information, look for the lays. And there's a lay right back there, and tickets too. Thank you. I hope we see a lot of you there.
Thank you. And do we have any other announcements this morning? Wait, please turn off your cell phones. And yes, Susan.
Good morning. I have to get up, and I have to be happy to do it and be out. Good morning.
Good morning.
Cool. Hey, after service today, Peggy and I are sponsoring a little chili luncheon. So just to say we love you and come on in, and food is my thing. So we have to, Peggy has to make chili today. So we were hoping it was going to be a little cooler, but oh well, we tried. So make sure you come by and have some chili and crackers with us, okay? Thank you.
All right, any other announcements? Let us worship God. Please join me in